Hey guys! Welcome back to your channel name. Today, we are diving into a topic that's changing the world: artificial intelligence. And specifically, we are going to learn how to create your very own custom chatbot using GPT-3 S8. You've probably seen chatbots in action: WhatsApp bots, customer support, or even voice assistants like Siri and Alexa. But did you know you can create your own chatbot without being a coding genius? Yes, it's totally possible with GPT-3, a revolutionary AI model by OpenAI. GPT-3 stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3. It's an AI that processes natural language, making it super easy to create chatbots. First things first, you need the right tools. Grab your laptop and ensure you have an internet connection. You'll be using OpenAI's API, so let's sign up for an API key. Once you sign up, navigate to the API section in your OpenAI dashboard. Here, you can generate your unique API key. This key is crucial as it allows your application to communicate with GPT-3. Now, don't worry. Even if you are not a coder, I've got you covered. We are going to use a simple programming language called Python. If you don't have Python installed yet, go ahead and download it. After installing Python, open your terminal and type in a couple of commands to install the libraries you need. Once you've got your libraries ready, it's time to write your first piece of code. We'll set up a basic request to the GPT-3 API to generate text. You'll write a function that will send user messages to GPT-3 and return the AI's response. Let's test it out. Run your code and try asking your chatbot a question. Now that we have a basic bot, let's make it smarter. You can add more features like context, keeping track of the conversation, or even customizing its personality. Finally, think about where you want your chatbot to live. You could integrate it into a website, a messaging app, or even a mobile application. And that's a wrap. You now have the knowledge to create your very own chatbot using GPT-3. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome tech content. Comment below if you have any questions or if you've built your own chatbot.